Hello, resin drops. Well, let's use some of this Galaxy Chameleon powder and add it into the resin. Try to get a nice amount in there. Let's get this all mixed up. And we've got some of the olive chameleon powder in some of these molds here. And first things first, I'm going to be trying in my new bird and wing skull molds. I think that should be mixed up well enough. Shouldn't be any big lumpies in there. And now we get to pour it into the skull mold here. This will kind of seep out into the other parts. Kind of help the wing areas here, just like that. Get a bit more in there, and that should spread out evenly enough for the most part. And let's pour into our second mold here and get this one all filled up too. Get a little bit on this side, and a little bit more on that side, and now we wait.